ओके, सो आज हम दृष्टि के इंग्लिश में इंटरनेशनल कवर करेंगे। ओके, वेयर वॉज द 52nd G7 समिट हेल्ड इन 2026? डेट जरूरी है क्योंकि आजकल एग्जाम्स में ये टिपिकल बनाने के लिए पूछा जाने लगा है। जून 15 to 17 2026। सो इवन लेस विंग्स फ्रांस में। हु लेड फ्रांसिस G7 प्रेसिडेंसी इन 2026? इमैनुअल मैक्रोन जो प्रेसिडेंट है। What was the theme of G7 Summit 2026? Working together to address major international challenges. Who represented India at the G7 Summit 2026? PM Narendra Modi. What declaration was adopted at the G7 Summit 2026 to curb migrant smuggling? Leaders' declaration on tackling migrant smuggling. Which initiative was introduced by Japanese PM Takaichi as G7 Summit 2026? Power Asia. Where was the 16th BRICS Agriculture Ministers meeting held? From June 12 to 13, 2026, Indore MP. Under whose BRICS presidency was the 16th BRICS Agriculture Ministers meeting held? क्योंकि इंडिया में हो रही है तो obviously India. What declaration was adopted at the 16th BRICS Agriculture Ministers meeting? Indore Declaration. Which is Slovakia's highest national award given to PM Modi? Order of the White Double Cross. Slovakia's highest national award was presented to PM Modi in which city? Bratislava. Which country became the 10th member of New Development Bank in June 2026? Uzbekistan. Important है, पूछा जाएगा. Who was elected president of UN General Assembly's 81st session? Khalilur Rahman, Bangladesh. Khalilur Rahman defeated whom in the UNGA election? Andreas Kakuris, जो कि सिप्रस के हैं. When will Khalilur Rahman's UNGA term start? 8 September 2026. Which institute topped India in Quackerly Simmons World University Ranking 2027? IIT Delhi. ये मोस्टली IIT दिल्ली है, बॉम्बे में से ही रहता है तो इस बार IIT दिल्ली है. What was IIT Delhi's global rank in QS World University Rankings 2027? 118th. Which university retained the global top spot in QS World University Rankings 2027? Massachusetts Institute of Technology. How many Indian universities were included in QS World University Ranking 2027? 52. Who assumed office as Prime Minister of Slovenia? Janis Zanza. Who assumed office as the new Prime Minister of Senegal? Ahmadou Al Aminou. To combat which deadly epidemic in Africa did the government of India recently send a 45.5 ton consignment of medical aid? Ebola. Reporters Without Border classifies countries into 5 categories in the World Freedom Index. In which category has India been placed? Difficult situation. What was India's rank? 157th. ये पूछा जाएगा क्योंकि आजकल ये करंट में भी बहुत है. Which international organization released the Global Hepatitis Report 2026? WHO. According to latest WHO report, which two types of hepatitis together account for more than 95% of deaths related to viral hepatitis worldwide? Hepatitis B and C. Who recently became the Prime Minister of Iraq? Alif Ali Khadim al Zaidi. India signed a bilateral accession protocol in support of which African country's accession to WTO? Ethiopia. Where in South Korea did India's Defense Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurate the Indian War Memorial? Imjikak Park. Where was the 8th India France Maritime Cooperation Dialogue held? Paris, France. Which country joined the India led International Big Cat Alliance as its 26th member country? Saudi Arabia. Which two countries announced the establishment of new NATO tactical headquarters in the Baltic regions? Germany and the Netherlands. Where was the 79th WHA World Health Assembly held? Geneva, Switzerland. Which major Gulf country decided to formally withdraw from the OPEC with effect from 1st May 2026? UAE. पूछा जा सकता है. In which city was the meeting of defense ministers of SU held? Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan. According to Global Report on Food Crisis 2026, which country was included among the top 10 countries with the largest number of people facing high levels of acute food insecurity? Pakistan. Which country hosted the first meeting of BRICS Health Working Group in 2026? India. Where was the first meeting of BRICS Health Working Group in 2026 held? New Delhi. Who is the current president of South Korea who paid a visit to India? Lee Jae-myung. During the meeting between Prime Minister Modi and President Lee Jae-myung, which two major emerging sectors were specially highlighted for cooperation? Semiconductors and shipbuilding. क्योंकि साउथ कोरिया सेमीकंडक्टर टेक्नोलॉजी में बहुत आगे है. Which country hosted the ninth Indian Ocean Conference? Mauritius. What was the main theme of the ninth Indian Ocean Conference 2026? Collective stewardship for Indian Ocean governance. Who assumed the who assumed office as the Prime Minister of Mongolia? Ukral Nyam Osor. Which annual edition of QS World University Ranking by subject was released? 16th. Where is the headquarter of QS, the prestigious organization that releases this annual global ranking? London, UK. Who released the 13th edition of Global Terrorism Index? Institute of Economics and Peace. Which country was the most affected by terrorism worldwide? Pakistan. What was the India's rank among the 163 countries in the Global Terrorism Index 2026? 13th. Which country ranked first in the World Happiness Report 2026 for the ninth consecutive year? Finland. Which countries ranked second and third, respectively? Iceland and Denmark. What was the India's rank among the 147 countries in the World Happiness Report 2026? 116th. Where was the Mobile World Congress 2026 held? Barcelona, Spain. Which organization released the Corruption Perception Index? Transparency International. What is the headquarters of Transparency? Sorry, where is the headquarters of Transparency International, the organization that releases this index? Berlin, Germany. What was the India's rank among the 182 countries in the Corruption Perception Index 2025? 91st. Where was the fourth meeting of India-Tanzania Joint Defense Cooperation Committee held? Zanzibar, Tanzania. Who led the Indian delegation? Amitabh Prasad, Joint Secretary, Defense Cooperation. Who led the Tanzanian delegation? Ibrahim Mona. Where was the World Government Summit 2026 held? Dubai, UAE. What was the main theme of the summit? Shaping future governments. Which country did Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently visit? Malaysia. Which Prime Minister of Japan did Prime Minister Narendra Modi congratulate on her historic victory in the elections of Japan's House of Representatives? Sanai Takaichi. Which what distinction does Sanai Takaichi hold? She is Japan's first woman prime minister. Which country does Sanai Takaichi lead? Liberal Democratic Party. Patrick Harmony, the president of which country, visited India? Seychelles. What was India's rank in Global Innovation Index 2025? 38th. Where was the first meeting of India US Drug Policy Executive Working Group held? Washington, D.C. Who led the Indian delegation? Monica Ashish Patra. In which index was Abu Dhabi ranked as the world's safest city in 2026? Norway Crime Index by City 2026. What was the India's rank in Asia Manufacturing Index 2026? Sixth. Which country topped the index? China. Which country legalized cryptocurrency mining and trading? Turkmenistan. Where was the Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro arrested during US military operation? Caracas, जो वेनेजुएला की कैपिटल है. For how much was the 400-year-old painting priced on the cross auction? 2.3 million euros. Who painted it? Peter Paul Rubens. Which think tank released the Asia Power Index 2025? Lowy Institute, Australia. What rank did India secure in the index? Index third. Which countries occupied the first two positions? USA, China, and third was India. In which country is the first campus of the Indian Institute of Technology in West Africa proposed to be established? Nigeria. In which country did the WHO declare a polio outbreak over? Indonesia. Who won Miss Universe 2025? Fatima Bosch of Mexico. Which word did Cambridge Dictionary select as its word of the year 2025? Parasocial. Where was the World Telecommunication Development Conference 2025 held? Baku, Azerbaijan. Where was the third International Ayurveda Conference held? Sao Paulo, Brazil. What rank did India secure in the Climate Change Performance Index 23rd? Where was the 2025 Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation Economic Leaders Meeting held? Jeonju, South Korea. What was the theme of APEC Summit 2025? Building a sustainable tomorrow. The three priorities were connect, innovate, prosper. Where is the APEC Secretariat located? Singapore. Which Indian city was designated a UNESCO Creative City of Gastronomy? Lucknow. Which American scientists were announced as the recipients of 2025 Nobel Prize in Physics? John Clark, Michael H. Dvorak, and John M. Martinez. For achievements in which field was the 2025 Nobel Prize in Physics awarded? Research on quantum mechanics and electrical circuits. For what discovery did these scientists receive the 2025 Nobel Prize? The discovery of microscopic quantum mechanical tunneling and energy quantization in an electric circuit. Which institute announced the 2025 Nobel Prize in Physics? The Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences. Who won the Nobel Prize 2025 in Chemistry? Omar M. Yagi, Susuma Kitagawa, and Richard Robson. The 2025 Nobel Prize in Chemistry was awarded for developing what? Metal organic frameworks. Who won the Nobel Prize 2025 in Physiology or Medicine? Mary E. Brunko, Fred Ramsdell, and Shimon Sakaguchi. Who won the Nobel Prize 2025 in Literature? Laszlo Krasznahorkai. Who won Nobel Peace Prize? Maria Corina Machado of Venezuela. Who won the Nobel Prize 2025 in Economic Sciences? Joel Moker, Philippine and Peter Howitt. इकोनॉमी के भी हम इसी में कवर कर लेते हैं क्योंकि फिर दूसरी वीडियो बनाने में वो फिर इतनी बड़ी नहीं बनती तो 10-10 मिनट की वीडियो बनाने का कोई मतलब नहीं है ओके इकोनॉमी की फर्स्ट न्यूज है What is the name of India's first Satwik Index launched by BSE? BSE Satwik 100. Which company became India's 28th Navratna Central Public Sector Enterprise? Chennai Petroleum Corporation Limited. Which department upgraded CPCL to Navratna status? Department of Public Enterprises. CPCL recorded how much turnover in financial year 26? 59,400 crore. Which country topped the Energy Transition Index 2026? Sweden, followed by Finland and Denmark. What was India's rank in Energy Transition Index? 70th. Which organization released the Energy Transition Index? World Economic Forum. Which country ranked last in Energy Transition Index 2026? Democratic Republic of Congo. Which Indian city ranked 15th in Global Startup Ecosystem Report 2026? Bengaluru. Who released Global Startup Ecosystem Report 2026? Startup Genome. Which city was Asia's top AI native cluster? Beijing. Which ecosystem ranked first in GSER 2026? Silicon Valley. Where is India's first integrated Basmati and organic training center cum demonstration farm being established? Pilibhit, UP. Who launched the Logistics Port Performance Index for financial year 24-25? Union Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Sarbananda Sonowal. Who released the Sample Registration System Bulletin 2024? Office of the Registrar General and Census Commissioner, India. Under which ministry does ORGI function? Ministry of Home Affairs. What type of survey is SRS? A large scale demographic survey. What was India's birth rate in 2014? 21 per thousand population. What was India's birth rate in 2024? 18.3% per thousand population. What was India's death rate in 2024, 2014? 6.7 and 2024 6.4. यानी कि डेथ रेट भी रिड्यूस हो रही है और बर्थ रेट भी रिड्यूस हो रही है 18.3 और ये थी 21. Which scheme for the development of industrial parks was approved by Union Cabinet? भारत औद्योगिक विकास योजना भव्य. Who issued the operational guidelines for Bhavya? The Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. What is the total outlay for Bhavya? 33,660 crore. Who presented the Bihar Budget 26-27? Vijayendra Prasad Yadav, Finance Minister. What is the total size of Bihar budget? 3,47,589.76 crore. By how much did it increase compared with the 25-26 budget estimates? 30,694.74 crore. What does Bihar Economic Survey 25-26 provide? A comprehensive assessment of the state's economic development, public finances, and development priorities. What was Bihar's GSDP growth rate at constant prices in 24-25? 8.6%. ये बीपीएससी के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. When was the UP Economic Survey Review 25-26 presented? 9 February 2026. What was UP's GSDP in 2016 to 17? Approximately 13.30 lakh crore. What was the GSTP according to quick estimates for 24-25? Approximately 30.25 lakh crore. What did the Union Cabinet recently approve? The creation of the Bharat Maritime Insurance Pool, BMI pool. What amount of sovereign guarantee has the government provided for the Bharat Maritime Insurance Pool? 12,980 crore. Up to when did the Union Cabinet approve the continuation of Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana? 18 on 18 April 2026. मार्च 2028 तक बढ़ा दिया गया है. What is the completion deadline for bridges in hilly areas? March 2029. What is the revised outlay of the scheme? 80,977 crore. Who tabled the Economic Survey 25-26 in Parliament? Union Minister for Finance and Corporate Affairs Nirmala Sitharaman. Which ministry prepares Economic Survey? The Ministry of Finance through the Economic Division of Department of Economic Affairs. Who presented the Union Budget 2026-27 in Parliament? Union Minister for Finance and Corporate Affairs Nirmala Sitharaman. What is the estimated total expenditure in 26-27 budget? 53,47,315 crore. What is the estimated fiscal deficit for finance year 26-27? 4.3% of GDP. ये important है fiscal deficit. 4.3. What nominal GDP growth rate has been estimated for India in 26-27 budget? 10%. What revenue deficit target as a percentage of GDP has been set for 26-27? 1.5%. What amount of effective capital expenditure is estimated in 26-27 budget? 17,14,523 crore. How many high-speed rail corridors were announced in 26-27 budget? 7. What is the total estimated length of these 7 high-speed rail corridors? Nearly 4,000 crore. Which organization recently set Guinness World Records during the construction of a 6-lane national highway project? The National Highway Authority of India. On which economic corridor were these records set? Bengaluru Kadapa Vijayawada Economic Corridor, National Highway 544G. Which state became the first to constitute its 8th pay commission? Assam. Who was appointed chairman of commission? Subhash Chandra Das. Under which mission did the government recently launch 2 key interventions? Export promotion mission. When was the export promotion mission approved? November 25. As part of the initial rollout of export promotion mission, Two key interventions were launched under the Niryat Protsahan sub-scheme to strengthen the exports of which category of enterprises? MSME. What is the total outlay for export promotion scheme? 25,060 crore. What is the duration of the mission? From 25-26 to 2030-31. For what achievement did Lucknow become the first city in UP? Zero fresh waste dump city. For which bank did the Union Cabinet approve equity support of rupees 5,000 crore? Small Industries Development Bank of India. Which bank was recognized as the best bank in India at the Bankers Bank of the Year Awards 2025? Bank of Baroda. Which publication presented this award? The Banker. What financial outlay was approved for conducting census 27 in India? 11,714.24 crore. In how many phases till census 27 be conducted? Two phases. साइंस के भी ही कवर कर लेते हैं. Which force inducted its first indigenous air cushion vehicle, hovercraft in Goa? Indian Coast Guard. What is the number of the first indigenous ACV inducted by ICG? H561. Where was the ICG's first indigenous ACV inducted? Rasam, Goa. Who became the first person of Indian origin to receive the Wolf Prize in Physics? Janendra K. Jain. With whom did Janendra K. Jain share the 2025 Wolf Prize in Physics? James P. Eisenstein and Mordechai Heblam. Janendra K. Jain was honored for discovering what? Composite fermions. Who presented the Wolf Prize to Janendra K. Jain? Isaac Herzog from Israel. Where was India's seventh regional meteorological center established? Jammu. Where was E85 fuel officially launched in India? New Delhi. Which union minister launched it? Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri. And an outlay of which company was it launched? Indian Oil Corporation Limited. Which space agency operated the recently concluded MAVEN mission? NASA, United States. What does MAVEN stands for? Mars Atmosphere and Volatile Evolution. What is the name of India's first indigenous stratospheric super pressure balloon? Vista. Which company developed and launched the Vista balloon? Red Balloon Aerospace. Where was this balloon launched? Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. Which organization successfully flight tested the Rudra M missile? DRDO and Indian Air Force. What type of missile is the Rudra M2? An air to surface missile. Where was the two-day national conference on rare disease organized? New Delhi. Where will India's first commercial mini micro LED display facility be established? Dholera, Gujarat. According to World Health Statistics 26 report, what was the estimated number of COVID-19 associated excess deaths worldwide between 2020 and 2023? 22.1 million. The SMILE space mission is a joint project of which two organizations? Chinese Academy of Sciences and the European Space Agency. What does SMILE stand for? Solar Wind Magnetosphere Ionosphere Link Explorer. In which country has ISRO begun assessing the launch site for joint Chandrayaan 5 mission? Japan. बना भी जापान के साथ ही रहे हैं. What is the official name of Chandrayaan 5 mission? LUPEX, Lunar Polar Exploration Mission. In which state was India's first anode material plant commissioned? West Bengal. Which Indian company established this plant? Himadri Specialty Chemical Limited. Which state police force launched India's first AI-based narcotics investigation tool? Gujarat Police. What is the name of AI-based narcotics investigation tool? Narit AI. What does Narit AI stand for? Narcotics Analysis and RAG-based investigation tool. Where was the first meeting of Biotechnology Research and Innovation Council Research Advisory Board held? Faridabad, Haryana. In which city was Calm Brain, India's first digital repository of data on major psychiatric disorders launched? Bengaluru. Which project has Indian Air Force launched to develop India's first indigenous helicopter launched drone system, Project Vayuban? What is the name of joint military exercises conducted between India and Seychelles? Joint military exercise Lamite 2026. Which airport is said to become the first in India to operate hydrogen powered buses for passenger transport? Cochin International Airport, Kerala. What is scheduled to become the world's first commercial privately operated space station, Heaven 1? Which aerospace company is developing Heaven 1 Vast? Which organization successfully demonstrated solid fuel ducted ramjet SFDR technology, DRDO? What was the demonstration conduct? Sorry, where was the demonstration conducted? Integrated test race, Chandipur, Odisha. Which two wetlands have recently been added to India's Ramsar site, Patna Bird Sanctuary and Chari Dan? In which district Patna Bird Sanctuary located? Eta district, UP. Where is Chari Dan located? Kutch district, Gujarat. Which was India's 99th Ramsar site? Sekha Jheel Bird Sanctuary, Aligarh, UP. After 100 Ramsar sites, India ranked which globally? Third. After 100 Ramsar sites, India ranked which in Asia? First. In which document was India Semiconductor Mission 2.0 formally announced? Union Budget 26-27. What initial provision was made for Indian Semiconductor Mission 2.0 in the Union Budget 26-27? 1000 crore. Where was the Agni 3 missile test fired? Integrated Test Range, Chandipur, Odisha. What type of missile is Agni 3? Intermediate range ballistic missile. What is the range of the missile? 3000 to 3500 kilometers. Which organization developed the Agni 3 missile? DRDO. Which Indian port became the first to initiate the implementation of an advanced anti-drone system? VO Chidambaram Port Authority. In which state VO Chidambaram Port located? Tamil Nadu. Which state became the first in India to launch dedicated menopause clinics? Maharashtra. On which date is World Menopause Day observed every year? 18th October. Where was the 7th edition of Exercise Dosti conducted? Male, Maldives. Exercise Dosti is a trilateral exercise among the Coast Guard forces of which three countries? India, Sri Lanka, and Maldives. Where were the world's second national environmental standard laboratory and the world's first national primary standard facility for solar cell calibration inaugurated? CSIR, National Physical Laboratory, New Delhi. Which union minister inaugurated these facilities? Dr. Jitendra Singh. Where was the Consumer Electronics Show, Las Vegas? Where has it been announced that India's first indigenously developed commercial quantum computer will be deployed? Propality, Dharwad. What is the name of India's first indigenous 64-bit dual-core processor, Dhruva 64? Which agency developed the Dhruva 64 processors? CDEC, Center for Development of Advanced Computing. What is India's first green hydrogen production plant for trains being established? Jind, Haryana. Where is Silicate Lake, which was recently designated a Ramsar site located? Alwar, Rajasthan. Where is Kopra Jalashay, which was designated a Ramsar site at the same time located? Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. What is the name of spiral galaxy discovered by Indian astronomers? Alaknanda. Scientists from which institution discovered it? National Center for Radio Astrophysics of the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, Pune. Where was the Regional Conference on Environment 2025 held? Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Which renowned Indian space scientist passed away at the age of 100? Dr. Eknath Vasant Chitnis. What is India's first indigenous developed antibiotic? Nephithromycin. Which country became the 26th to eliminate trachoma as a public health problem? Fiji. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited signed an MOU with which Russian company for the production of SJ-100 civil commuter aircraft? Public Joint Stock Company, United Aircraft Corporation. Where was this MOU signed? Moscow, Russia. What type of civil aircraft is the SG-100? A twin engine, narrow body aircraft. What is country's first indigenous aircraft carrier? INS Vikrant. What are the names of two recently launched advanced fast patrol vessels? ICGS Ajit and ICGS Aparajit. In which state is the 1000 megawatt Nang hydroelectric project proposed? Arunachal Pradesh. On which river in Arunachal Pradesh is this project proposed? Seom River. Where was the Indian Coast Guard ship Akshar recently commissioned? Karaikal, Puducherry. ICGS Akshar belongs to which class of fast patrol vessels? The Adamya class. ICGS Akshar is the second vessel in the series. What does the name Akshar mean? Reflecting the resolve of the Indian Coast Guard. Indestructible or imperishable? News in short. What is the theme of the International Day of Yoga 2026? Yoga for healthy aging. Where was a strict ban on single use plastics and littering recently ordered across Ladakh? When is World Environment Day observed every year? June 5. Which constitutional expert and former Secretary General of Lok Sabha passed away at the age of 97? Subhash C. Kashyap. Which veteran Indian film producer passed away in Mumbai at the age of 76? Pahlaj Nihalani. Pahlaj Nihalani served as the chairperson of which institution? Central Board for Film Certification from 2015 to 2017. Which 316-year-old teenagers formed the team named the global winner of the Earth Prize? Vivian Chaucharia, Ariana Agrawal, and Avanya Mehta. President Draupadi Murmu presented the President of India's police color to the police force of which state? Sikkim Police. Which Indian peacekeepers were selected to receive the United Nations Dag Hamar Codes Medal posthumously? Lance Havildar, Harbhajan Singh, and Naib Subedar Sujit Kumar Pradhan. When is the International Day of United Nations Peacekeepers observed? May 29. When is the International Workers' Day observed? May 1. Lily Das Malik, who passed away in Bengaluru at the age of 90, was the first women radio which state to serve as the news reader at All India Radio B. Which two Indian contributors were among the winners of 2026 Pulitzer Prize for Illustrated Reporting and Commentary? Anand Arke and Suparna Sharma. Who received the 2026 UNESCO Guillermo Cano World Press Freedom Prize? Sudanese Journalist Syndicate. When is World Press Freedom Day observed? May 3. When is International Thalassemia Day observed every year? May 8. Who became the first Indian woman to be elected a Fellow of the Meteorological Society in 26? Professor Kuljit Kaur Marhas. Under, under whose chairmanship did Chief Justice of India Surya Kant constitute the Judicial Infrastructure Advisory Committee to modernize courts across the country? Justice Arvind Kumar. By how long was the tenure of CBI Director Praveen Sood extended? 1 year. Which honor, Sweden's highest for foreign heads of government, was recently conferred on Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Royal Order of the Polar Star, Degree Commander Grand Cross. Which honor was conferred on Prime Minister Narendra Modi by Norway? Grand Cross of the Royal Norwegian Order of Merit. Who assumed charge as the new CEO of UIDAI? Saurabh Vijay. What is the full form of UIDAI? Unique Identification Authority of India. Where was India's first private medical museum being established? Ullur, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Who received the Business Reformer of the Year award for 25? And Chandrababu Naidu, Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. When is Ayushman Bharat Day observed? 30th April. How many women were honored with the 2026 Goldman Environment Prize? Six. One is Iroro Tanchi from Nigeria, Borim Kim, South Korea, Sarah Finch, United Kingdom, Theonila Roca Matboob, Papua New Guinea, Alana Ekherly, United States, Yuvelis Morales Blanco, Colombia. Which legendary photographer passed away at the age of 83? Raghurai. When is World Malaria Day observed? 25 April. Which 594-kilometer long access controlled Greenfield Expressway connecting Meerut and Prayagraj was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Ganga Expressway. Where was expressway inaugurated? Hardoi, UP. How many lanes does the Ganga Expressway have initially? 6 lanes. To how many lanes can this expressway be expanded? 8 lanes. Ganga Expressway starts and end between which cities? Meerut and Prayagraj. What is the starting point of the Ganga Expressway? Bijoli village in Meerut, connecting to National Highway 334. What is the ending point of Ganga Expressway? Durgapur Dhandu village in Prayagraj, connecting to National Highway 19 near the bypass. What is the total length of the Ganga Expressway? 594 km. Ganga Expressway passes through how many districts? 12 districts. And these districts are Meerut, Hapur, Bulandshahr, Amroha, Sambal, Badaयूं, Shahjahanpur, Hardoi, Unnao, Raebareli, Pratapgarh, and Prayagraj. Which famous singer passed away at the age of 92? Asha Bhosle. Which renowned singer was Asha Bhosle's sister? Lata Mangeshkar. Who is the author of the book Salman Khan, the Sultan of Bollywood? Mohar Basu. Who is the author of the book Sappar Ram Tapasvi Raja? Ashutosh Agnihotri. Who assumed charge as the new chairperson of National Commission for Backward Classes? Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti. Who was awarded the 2026 Abel Prize? Gerd Falzings, Germany. Who was selected for the 35th Saraswati Samman for 2025? Ramkumar Mukhopadhyay. Which work earned Ramkumar Mukhopadhyay this honor? Hara Parvati Katha. Har Parvati Katha. The UP government announced that the prize money for the Lakshman Award and Rani Lakshmibai Award would be increased from 3.11 lakh to what amount? 10 lakh each. According to Forbes World's Billionaire List 26, who is the richest person in the world? Elon Musk. Who was named the 2026 Stockholm Water Prize laureate? Kaveh Madani from Iran. When is Bihar Day observed? 22 March. What was the theme of Bihar Day? Unnat. In how many Indian languages did the Sahitya Academy announces its annual awards for 25-24? Who received the Sahitya Academy Award in Hindi? Mamta Kalia for Jeete Ji Allahabad. Where were the 98th Academy Awards held? Los Angeles, USA. Which film won Best Picture at 2026 Oscars? One Battle After Another. Who won Best Actor at 26 Oscars? Michael B. Jordan for Sinners. Who won Best Actress? Jessie Buckley for Hamnet. Who won Best Director? Paul Thomas Anderson. One Battle After Another. When was National Productivity Week observed? 12 to 18 February 26. What was the theme of 68th National Productivity Week? Clusters as growth engine, maximizing productivity in MSMEs. When is World Pulses Day observed? 10th February. What was the theme of World Pulses Day 26? Pulses of the World from Modesty to Excellence. Which visually impaired woman from Kerala was said to become the state's first visually impaired civil judge after clearing the Kerala judicial examination? Tanya Nathan. When is World Wetlands Day observed? 2nd February. What is the theme of World Wetland Day 2026? Wetlands and traditional knowledge celebrating cultural heritage. Where was the 68th Grammy Awards ceremony held? Los Angeles. Which song won Song of the Year? Wildflower. Which song won Record of the Year? Luther. Which award did Indian teacher Rubal Nagi receive? GEMS Education Global Teacher Award 2026. How much is the prize money for Global Teacher Prize? US $1 million. Which award did Sadhguru Jaggi Vasudev launch on the occasion of Mahashivratri? Bhavya Bharat Bhushan Award. Which Odia singer passed away at the age of 73? Geeta Patnaik. Where was the National Textile Ministers Conference held? Guwahati, Assam. Who organized the conference? The Minister of Textiles in collaboration with the government of Assam. What was the theme of the conference? India's textiles, weaving growth, heritage, and innovation. Who is the original author of The Land and the Shadows? Perumal Murugan. Who translated The Land and the Shadows into English? Geeta Subramaniam. When is Lokpal Day observed? 16th January. Which American evolutionary biologist was awarded the 2026 Tyler Prize for Environmental Achievement? Toby Kears. What is the new name of the official residence of the governor of UP, Jan Bhavan? In which district of Bihar was the world's largest monolithic shivling installed? East Champaran. For 26, how many Padma Awards did the president approve for conferment? 131. In how many categories are Padma Awards conferred? 3. Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, and Padma Shri. How many Padma Vibhushan awards were announced in 26? 5. How many women are included in 2026 Padma Awards list? 19. How many posthumous awards are included in the 2026 Padma Award list? 16. How many people from the foreigners NRI PIO OCI category are included in the list? 6. Who will be posthumously awarded the Padma Vibhushan in the field of art? Dharmendra Singh Deol, Maharashtra. How many Padma Vibhushan awards were announced posthumously in 2026? 2. How did 27-year-old Captain Hansja Sharma make history? By becoming the Indian Army's first women pilot qualified to fly the Rudra armed helicopter. On which date was World Leprosy Day observed in 2026? 25th January. What was the theme of World Leprosy Day 2026? Leprosy is curable. The real challenge is stigma. When is the National Youth Day observed? 12 January. When is Pravasi Bharatiya Divas observed? 9th January. Which renowned ecologist passed away at the age of 83? Madhav Gadgil. Who was appointed chairperson of the Atomic Energy Regulatory Board? A.K. Balasubramanian. When is Global Family observed? 1 January. Which work was released by Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan at Bharat Mandapam? Mahamana Wangmai. Who received the 2025 IFCO Sahitya Samman? Maitri Pushpa. Which Indian was also honored with UNEP's 2025 Champions of the Earth Award? Supriya Sahu. At which film festival was Alia Bhatt honored with the Golden Global Horizon Award? Fifth Red Sea International Film Festival. Who was named Times 2025 Person of the Year? The Architects of AI. Who was named Times CEOs of the Year 2025? Neil Mohan. Neil Mohan is the CEO of which company? YouTube. Who is the author of the book The Great Sanctions Hack? Urjit Patel. Who was named PETA India's 2025 Person of the Year? Ravina Tandon. Who received the 2025 Dr. Paulos Mar Gregarious Award? Dr. Tessie Thomas. When is National Pollution Control Day observed? 2nd December. What was the theme of National Pollution Control Day 2025? Sustainable living for a greener future. Which former governor of Mizoram and senior advocate passed away at the age of 73? Swaraj Kaushal. Who is the author of the book Bharat, that is India, Reclaiming Our Real Identity? Bijit Jog. Who is the author of the book The 11th Hour, Winter of Stories? Salman Rushdie. Which award was presented to Shubhangi Dutt? Best Actress Award. At which film festival did Shubhangi Dutt receive the Best Actress Award? International Film Festival of Australia. For which film did Shubhangi Dutt receive the Best Actress Award? Kanvi the Great. When is the International Day for Elimination of Violence Against Women observed? 25th November. Who won Best Performance by an Actor at the 2025 International Emmy Awards? Oriol Pla. Who won Best Performance by an Actress? Anna Maxwell Martin. Who assumed office as the 53rd Chief Justice of India? Justice Surya Kant. Who won Miss Universe 2025 title? Fatima Bosch, Mexico. When is National Unity Day celebrated? 31st October. National Unity Day is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of which leader? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Which award was announced to be conferred posthumously on Professor Jayant Vishnu Narlekar? Vigyan Ratna Award given by Rashtriya Vigyan Puraskar 2025. Which team received the 2025 Vigyan Team Award? The Aroma Mission team of the CSIR. How many categories are there under the Rashtriya Vigyan Puraskar? Four. Vigyan Ratna, Vigyan Shri, Vigyan Yuva Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar, and Vigyan Team. When was Vigilance Awareness Week 2025 observed? 27 October to 2nd November 25. What was the theme of Vigilance Awareness Week 25? Vigilance, our shared responsibility. Who was appointed chairperson of the 8th Central Pay Commission? Justice Ranjana Prakash Desai. Which famous actor passed away at the age of 74? Satish Shah. Who were announced as the joint recipients of 2025 Sakharov Prize for Freedom of Thought? Belarusian journalist Andrei Pogzobat and Georgian journalist Mazia Amaglobeli. When is World Polio Day observed? 24 October. Which veteran actor and comedian passed away at the age of 84? Asrani. Which actor passed away at the age of 68? Pankaj Dheer. In which famous television serial did Pankaj Dheer play the role of Karna? Mahabharat. When is World Food Day observed? 16th October. Who was awarded 2025 Nobel Peace Prize? Maria Corina Machado. Where was the 70th Filmfare Award 2025 held? Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Which film won the highest number of awards at the 70th Filmfare Awards? Lapada Ladies, 13. 13 awards मिले उनको. Who was announced as the recipient of 2025 Nobel Prize in Literature? Laszlo Krasznahorkai, Hungary. Who will receive the 2025 Sastra Ramanujan Prize? Alexander Smith. Alexander Smith is associated with which university? Northwestern University. When is World Cotton Day observed? 7 October. Where was the World Cotton Day 2025 celebration held in India, New Delhi? Which organization jointly organized the event? The Ministry of Textiles and Confederation of Indian Textile Industry. What was the theme of the event? Cotton 2040 Technology, Climate and Competitiveness. When is Air Force Day celebrated in India? 8th October. Which actress passed away recently? Sandhya Shantaram. Sandhya Shantaram was the wife of which famous filmmaker? V. Shantaram. For which art form was Sandhya Shantaram known? Dance. When is World Cerebral Palsy Day observed? 6 October. What was the theme of World Cerebral Palsy Day 2025? Unique and United. Which award was conferred on India for outstanding achievement in social security? International Social Security Association Award 2025 for outstanding achievement in social security. The ISSA Award 2025 was presented at the ISSA World Social Security Forum held in which country? Malaysia. Who received ISSA Award 2025 on behalf of India? Dr. Mansukh Mandaviya. What is the full form of ISSA? International Social Security Association. When is World Teachers Day observed? 5 October. Who presented the MY Bharat National Services Scheme Awards for 2022-23? President Draupadi Murmu. Which famous Hindustani classical vocalist passed away at the age of 89? Pandit Channulal Mishra. In which year was Pandit Channulal Mishra honored with Padma Bhushan? 2010. Which honor was conferred on Pandit Channulal Mishra by the government of UP? Yash Bharti Award. For which forms of singing was Pandit Channulal Mishra famous? Khayal, Thumri, Dadra, and Bhajan. What role did Pandit Channulal Mishra play during the Narendra Modi's nomination from the Varanasi constituency in 2014? He was one of the Narendra Modi's proposers. When is International Day of Non-Violence observed? 2nd October. Who was the new Director General of CISF? Praveen Praveer Ranjan. Who is the author of the book The CEO Mindset? Shiv Kumar. Who are the authors of the book Missing from the House Muslim Women in the Lok Sabha? Rashid Kidwai and Ambar Kumar Ghosh. Who is the author of the book Muzib Blunders, The Power and the Plot Behind His Killing? Manas Ghosh. Who is the author of the book 107 Days? Kamala Harris. Where did President Draupadi Murmu recently present the 71st National Film Awards? Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi. Which Malayalam film actor was honored with the Dada Sahib Phalke Award for the year 23? Mohanlal. At which award ceremony was the award presented? At the 71st National Film Award ceremony. When is the International Day of Peace observed? September 21. What was the theme for this day in 2025? Act now for a peaceful world. What is the author of the book Mother Mary Comes to Me? अरुंधति रॉय. जो बाकी के बचे हुए हैं उसको हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कवर करेंगे. थैंक यू. बाय.